Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Way. Today in this tutorial we are going to discuss NPTEL assignment 4 solutions of IoT. So we already discussed from assignment 1 to 3. Now we are going to discuss assignment 4. So question 1 is protection of internet connected systems from cyber attacks is known as. First option is network security, second option is internet security, third option is web security, and last option is cyber security. So right answer will be cyber security. Question number 2 is in which category of countermeasure does an application firewall fall? Option first is hardware, option B is software, option C is both A and B, and option D is none of the above. So right answer will be option C, both A and B, hardware and software. Question number 3 is state true or false cybersecurity is recognized as a subset of information security. So right answer will be false. Next question is which of the following is correct regarding network security? So option A is it provides protection from unofficial access, improper use, fault deletion, demolition. Option B is it is an analytical action which categorizes information benefits. Option C is it ensures the protection of applications from outer threats. Last option is all of the above. So right answer will be option A. Next question is what is a malware? So option A is a computer program which is used to disturb the computer user, such as computer viruses, spyware, etc. Second option is a computer program which breaks security policy to get critical information which is typically secured. Option C is a computer program which provides a facility to the attacker in which the attacker locks the user's computer files by using an encryption and demands some money to unlock them. Option D is none of the above. So right answer will be option A. Computer program which is used to disturb the computer user, such as computer virus, spyware, etc. Next question is what is SDCMA stands for? So option A is software defined cloud management architecture. Option B is software developed cloud manufacturing architecture. Option C is software developed cloud management architecture, and option D is software defined cloud manufacturing architecture. So right answer will be option D, software defined cloud manufacturing architecture. Next question is what are the three key differences between IoT and automations? So option A is connectivity, advanced analytics and IT tools and methodology. Option B is ubiquitous sensing, advanced analytics and IT tools and methodologies. Option C is advanced sensing, connectivity and IT tools and methodologies. Option D is ubiquitous sensing, connectivity and advanced analytics. So right answer will be option D, ubiquitous sensing, connectivity and advanced analytics. Next question is what is the role of optimal scheduling in transportation and logistics? So option A is it provides good customer service by reducing cancellation and delays. Option B is it provides better safety to both on the boarded passengers and machines. Option C is it reduces maintenance expenses. Option D is it enhances end-to-end automation. So right answer will be option A. It provides good customer services by reducing cancellation and delays. Next question is which one of the following digital industrial companies coined the term industrial internet? So option A is Siemens Global, option B is General Electric, option C is Accenture, and option D is digital industry. So right answer will be General Electric, option B. Next question is the started with the invention of internal combustion engine and electricity. Option A is first stage of the industrial revolution. Option B is second stage of the industrial revolution. Option C is third stage of the industrial revolution, and option D is fourth stage of the industrial revolution. So right answer will be second stage of the industrial revolution. Next question is, why is outage a huge problem in power industries? So option A is because the service provided by any power industry is very large. Option B is because power lines and other equipments are not mobile. Option C is because replacing a broken equipment is hard, and option D is because locating a broken power line or equipment is not an easy task. Right answer will be option D, because locating a broken power line or equipment is not an easy task. Next question is, the emergence of system will replace the isolated systems. So option A is edge based, option B is cloud based, option C is real time, and option D is all of the above. So right answer will be option B, cloud based. Next question is, which of the following is a sensors technology manufacturer? Option A is NVIDIA, option B is General Electric, option C is Intel, and option D is Honeywell. So right answer will be option D, Honeywell. Next question is, what are the three main modules in PLC architecture? Option A is CPU power supply and input output. Option B is sensors, processor and actuation. Option C is sensors, CPU and power supply. Option D is sensors, CPU and networks. So right answer will be CPU, power supply and input output. Next question is, which of the following is not an actuators technology manufacturer? Option A is Moog, option B is SPAT, option C is Adafruit, option D is Zaber. Right answer will be Adafruit. So this is how we have completed our discussion about the solution of assignment for NPTEL videos of IoT subject. We want to give special thanks to Mr. Dinesh Swami who helped us to provide these solutions to our audience. If you like this video and want to get more notification about our videos, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you.